Hello guys, my name is Advik Kansal and welcome to my channel Hydroboy AK. Today's our video is improve your general knowledge hashtag part 1. So in our today's video we will improve our general knowledge after learning about three countries. Okay, so let's start. Our first country is India. New Delhi is the capital of India. India lies in the continent Asia. India lies in the northern and eastern hemisphere. In the present national flag, the saffron color represents courage and sacrifice. White color represents peace and green color represents prosperity. In the middle of the white strip is Ashoka Chakra, which is blue in color and has 24 spokes. It represents cycle of life and continuity. Currently, India has 28 states and 9 union territories, whereas it was having 29 states and 7 union territories. So, Jammu and Kashmir was a state, but now it's a union territory. So, the new two union territories are Ladakh and Jammu and Kashmir. India is tagged as the mother of so many inventions like algebra, number, zero, shampoo, and etc. India has nearly 90,000 of animals, including over 350 mammals and 1,200 bird species and 50,000 plant species. So, our second capital of Nepal is Kathmandu. Nepal lies in the continent Asia. Nepal lies in the northern and eastern hemisphere. Nepal is the only country having a triangle flag. Other countries have a quadrilateral four-sided flag. Nepal flag initially had human faces inside the sun and moon, as you can see. Nepal has been divided into 7 provinces after the country officially Federal Democratic Republic system through the Constitution of Nepal in 2015, and the provinces were decided after 110 assemblies, as I know. Nepal, a landlocked country between India and China, is known for its mountain peaks. The small country contains 8 of the 10 highest peaks in the world, including Mount Everest and Kanchenjunga, the world tallest, and the and it also has the world tallest mountain and the third tallest mountain respectively. So our third country is Bhutan. Thimphu is the capital of Bhutan. Bhutan lies in the continent Asia. Bhutan lies in the northern and eastern hemisphere. The national flag of Bhutan, also known as the Dzongkha, is one of the national symbols of Bhutan. The flag features a dragon, Dzongkha, in the Bhutanese mythology. So, the Kingdom of Bhutan is divided into 20 districts. Bhutan is the first country in the world with specific constitutional obligations on its people to protect the environment. Bhutan is the only nation in the world where the sale of tobacco is banned, and which is a very good thing. At 24,840 feet, Gangkhar Pyunzum is the highest point in Bhutan and the highest unclimbed mountain in the world. So thank you. Please guys like this video and subscribe to my channel. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe it, and the name of my channel is Hydroboy AK, and share this video with as many people as you can. And really this video will be very beneficial to the people who want to increase their general knowledge. Till then, bye.